I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to view your liked post on Facebook using the Facebook app. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap Menu. Your Facebook menu screen opens. Step 2. Tap the settings icon on this screen. Step 3. Navigate down this screen to the Your Activity section and then tap Activity Log in this section. Step 4. Tap to expand your Facebook activity and then tap Manage Comments and Reactions. The next screen shows you your history of comments and reactions on Facebook. You can scroll through this list to see all of the posts you've liked on Facebook. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.